Today I want to talk to you about our Payton floor plan, which is going to be our 3-story unit. It has 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 1-car garage that's attached to the unit. It's going to be our floor plan that has the most square footage usually because it's stacked, it goes up and down, and provides a lot of options for our tenants. The thing that our tenants and our renters really like about the Payton floor plan is it's a townhome style unit. It has a 1-car garage that's attached to the unit, provides extra parking. Not always, but a lot of times there's going to be an extra cement pad outside that garage as well. So look for that, some additional parking for the renter. We've used this floor plan in 3 different states so far, in Texas, Idaho, and Utah. In our Idaho project, we use this in Brickyard. In Utah, we've used this in the Locks, Porter's Crossing, and also the Boulders in Harriman. And then in Texas, we use this in Starwood. So here the doors are on the front. You can see 4 doors in front here. This is our Fourplex Payton floor plan. And then towards the back, you're going to have a 1-car garage on the main level. That's how you enter the home, and then that's how you can exit if you're a tenant or a renter looking to park. Makes it really nice. Tenants really love having the idea of having an attached garage, whether it's a 1-car or 2-car garage. With the Payton, they're all going to be 1-car garage for every unit. As we take a look inside and go into the main family room, that's what you're going to walk into. The family room allows you to set up your couch, your TV area, place where you can hang out, relax, right when you come through the front door. Or if you're coming in through the back in the 1-car garage, this is the way that you'd enter there. The other thing I like about this Payton floor plan is they keep the utilities down here, down below, kind of out of the way in the garage, which is really nice. And then right here, as you can see, that's the stairs as you go up to the 2nd level. So let's take a look at the 2nd level and see what that has to offer. As you come up to the 2nd level here, you're going to see your kitchen, nice and open with a good sized pantry. And then right here, you're going to have your 1st bedroom on the 2nd level. And that oftentimes that's going to be considered your master bedroom. You walk into your master bedroom, you're going to find a sink, linen closet, your toilet, and then your tub and shower. Also, you're going to find your walk-in closet right there. There's also a half bathroom for guests. That's where they would come to use the restroom as they're visiting. So let's take a look at the last level here, which is going to be the 3rd level. This is where you see a couple additional bedrooms here. There's your 2nd bedroom and your 3rd bedroom. This bedroom here is going to be your smallest bedroom. Still a decent size for a baby or a kid. Plenty of room there. And then your 3rd bedroom, right over here, is going to provide a lot of space for possibly 2 beds if needed. I've even seen some renters or tenants use that as their master bedroom. There's also a bathroom here that's going to be shared as you walk through past the closet for that bedroom. There's a shared bathroom with a stand-up shower, toilet, and sink. Also on the 3rd level, you're going to see your washer and dryer as well.